Mr. Bussey, please state your full name. Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Harold Bussey.
Thank you. Uh, Heather, we need a jury trial date with Van Buren.
Your Honor, may I address that?
Sure.
The chance of this charge going in front of the jury is very slim. But I,
Let's set it for something else. What are you thinking?
settlement conference, there's going to be a motion to dismiss. I won't get into details now.
You want me to give you a motion date?
I would like that. It could be.
Let's just start with a motion date. When's our next Van Buren date?
That would be August 13th at 11 a.m.
Does that work?
We'll make it work, Your Honor.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Always a pleasure. Just have a seat. We'll get you a paper notice with that date.
Mr. Bussey has pre-planned vacation, party in Florida on what date? July 18th.
You'll be back for this 8 August. Travel safely. Have fun.
Thank you. July 19th is my 40th first.
Congratulations. Pretty good start. Cameron Baker.
Hey, Johnson. Alan Dable, on behalf of Mr. Baker, the Saints of my life.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. Let's take care of an arraignment. Would you waive formal? All right. Any good reason why your guy shouldn't be on a personal bond?
No, he doesn't have any past criminal history, so like, here's all the baggage they need.
I'll enter a not guilty plea for him. All right, so August 27th, 11:45. Mr. Baker, are you working? Who do you work for and how long you been there?
It's 2023.
Good. All right, I want to put you on a personal bond. Who's coughing? Cough drop help? First condition on your bond is stay out of trouble. Second condition is show up in court when you're supposed to be here. Third condition is don't purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. Live with those rules? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you screw that up? Questions? Have a seat. We'll get your notice. Counsel, if you want a notice, we'll get you one.
You know, one thing that I wanted to address, we planned, trip with, a couple of friends to go down to a stock car race in Ohio. This
Have fun. Have fun. No mood altering substances and you're fine. You're welcome. Anita? Villegas?
Or it's
Santi, first name Santiago, or Anita
Santiago.
Villegas. Gentlemen. Attorney Josh Sheff, on behalf of my client Santiago Ordaneta Villegas. Okay, and I have the assistance today of our interpreter, Your Honor.
Good. What's your name?
I'm not Bruce.
Cruz? Right hand? I'm assuming Spanish is a language? All right. Do you swear or affirm that you will accurately translate between Spanish and English, English and Spanish, so we can all discuss these matters? All right, let him know what we talked about.
Correct, Your Honor. We have, met privately on the record. It's been a phenomenal interpreter thus far, so I think we'll have no issues.
Okay. All right. Tell me about the deal.
We have an A, B, C, and a D case. On the A case, we're going to be pleading guilty to a reduced charge of no operator's license on person, the driving license. As part of that deal, we will also plead responsible as charged on the B,
Yep.
and the civil infraction on C and D will both be dismissed.
Okay.
That's the extent of the plea, Your Honor.
Did you gentlemen discuss rights and options?
It's a, when we go, he wants to, do you understand the rights to talk, it's not a trial, he's sort of giving up his rights. Yes. The defense side, they want to hear that we went over these rights and he understands he's not gonna have a trial if he takes the plea off.
Oh, okay.
Additionally, anytime you would plead guilty or be found guilty, it could have immigration consequences. That's why I'm not sure. So are you understanding all the rights that we got?
Tiene todo, se to me, yes.
I think we're just confused that we're going over them again. So I guess we just, if you understand you're giving up your right to a trial and you is taking the plea with life.
Yes.
See?
Yeah, see. And Your Honor, the additional sidebar, my client's gonna be returning to his home country shortly, very shortly, like within days to a week. They're gonna
Okay.
have a return flight, so I think
Okay.
That was our only other concerns.
Okay. Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of no valid operator's license on person?
Sí, estoy consciente.
Yes. It's way about that.
Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today?
Sí. Yeah, yes.
Did you drive a vehicle on June 23, 2026 in Van Buren Township?
And to make it for the board here, and did you present a international license at the time that was not considered valid? Just so we don't get confused about, did you have a license on you?
He was driving with the international that's nobody telling about the consequences.
Okay. All right, so I got to get my question answered. Did you drive a vehicle that day in Van Buren Township?
Sí, yeah.
Okay. And at that time, did you have an international driver's license?
What he told me, he got it right, the job because he's driving now, license.
Okay, but
He just needs to know that's what he had.
Oh, he had.
right.
I can ask that. And had you been in the US for more than 14 days at the time that you've been stopped? That's, so had you been here for more than 2 weeks when he got pulled over?
Okay, it's a good day. So, no, so.
And we agree that after 14 days, it's no longer valid?
Correct. So that would be the last element to that, which would be an international license. It's only gonna be valid for the first 14 days.
Okay. Okay. Do you have a return flight scheduled now?
Tiene el avión para regresar ahora mismo. Para cuando esa vez para Colombia.
No.
He tried to go back in November because of his way. Because his wife, she couldn't come here, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But that didn't answer my question.
So you would get this, you already purchased, take it.
Oh, no,
Okay. All right. Are you currently employed? Are you working?
yeah, he's working.
Where do you work? Who do you work for?
They say company.
You say something about this a company.
Carro
It's- It's about cars, so working cars.
Mechanic?
Operador.
He's operating inside the. Que opera dentro del.
Sí, tengo 3 años.
Operando dentro.
Adentro, sí, claro.
Just operating the car inside of the company.
Okay. And where is that location? Where does he work?
Donde es, lo que es, donde está el lugar es.
La dirección en la Instagram.
Inkster.
Sí, yeah.
Anything before I sentence?
No, you're on this, again, I guess I'm gonna leave that out, but my client actually was originally a Venezuelan national who, family had to relocate. It's just a very complicated backstory, but there was the earthquake and a lot of what's going on, a lot of instability, so any
Yeah.
mercy the court could,
Yeah.
show his family would be greatly appreciated.
Yeah.
Because we had to leave Venezuela because the government, that's how the family.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's added to the delays in getting back to home.
That's right.
Okay.
And that's why they're.
Okay. All right. Anything you want to tell me before I sentence?
Yeah, lo que tienen que decir acerca de eso.
No.
No,
Okay. On the registration plate, civil infraction, fines and costs $150.
You say it's fine.
No worries.
On the no valid operator's license on person, fines and costs $300 and 4 days on the work program.
You will say that it's not.
Okay.
For pay.
Oh, yeah, probably. Yeah, she's got good point. The language barrier could cause some serious problems.
And I would hate for him, I know my client has no point in absconding, but if all of a sudden something changes.
Yeah.
You guys wouldn't want the file not close.
Let's just do $400 on that one, $150 on the other one.
550 total. I still give you the 550 stairs. All right, didn't make the payment full today.
Awesome. Thank you for your help, Mr. Cruz.
I explained to him, it's America, I would expect everything, the law in America, you live the country, everything.
Yep. Travel safely.
You don't drive it.
Yeah, but he's going home, so he's got to travel.
Yeah.
Is it Darwich? Is that yours, Josh?
It's not, the last one I had a Sandra Law, but I.
That's just an adjournment. Good afternoon. Are you going forward today without an attorney?
Aye.
All right, my understanding is that you are going to plead guilty to a personal watercraft violation on June 13th, and the companion case would be dismissed, correct? You understand your rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for the charge? Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? All right, so June 13, 26, were you on the lake in Van Buren Township? And did you violate the safety rule regarding distance?
I did.
I will accept your plea, dismiss the other charge. You working? Where are you going to school? Studying what? Good for you. Just first year? Where'd you go to high school? Where are you working? Where's that at?
Union Lake.
Okay. All right, oil change place? Okay. Anything else you want me to know before I sentence you?
Can I have one question?
Sure. Yeah, this is a misdemeanor. Yeah, it's a misdemeanor. I mean, I don't think it's the kind of thing that's going to stop you from getting a job someday. Go ahead.
Want to pass for a second?
Yeah, talk to him. Is it Icovillo? How do you say it? Almost had it. Come on up. Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
Yeah.
John, I just found your files in the bottom, so I got you coming up next. All right, let's see what you got. You're going forward today without a court-appointed attorney, correct?
Yes.
Oh, you know what? There's a Sumter file here with a warrant on it, and Hurley was here. Hurley's not still here, is he?
No.
All right, so I've got a 12-125 drove while license not valid or improper license misdemeanor from Sumter Township. We'll hook you up with a court. They take care of that one. What can be?
They had already started downstairs, Your Honor, so that was.
Say again?
They had already started downstairs.
Oh, they gave him something downstairs.
Did you get a notice?
Yeah, for August 13th at 10:50.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yep, they did it.
They just don't come back and see him.
No, you're good. Okay, that takes care of that file. And then the file you talked to the prosecutor today, you understand your rights and options?
Yeah, Your Honor.
Understand the possible penalty for the charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate on May 29, 26 in Van Buren? Did you drive a vehicle that day, that place? And at that time, were you suspended? I'll accept your plea, sir. Are you working?
No, that's it.
Say that again, you just,
100%, that's it.
okay. Which branch?
Army.
How long?
5 years, 22 weeks.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence?
No,
All right. All right, as of June 29th, it shows that you've got $276 due on a speeding ticket out of Sumter. Are you in a position to get some kind of payment plan set up?
yeah, I was gonna pay it the day I went on April 13th, if that's okay.
August 13th? Is that what you said?
Yeah. Yes.
Anything else before I sentence on today's file? All right. I don't want to get in your business too deep, but can you do community service charity work physically?
Social thing.
Okay. All right. All right, let's just stick with fines and costs then. On the allow, $500. Can you do that on the 13th as well?
I need 30 more days.
I'm going to tell you what, just go downstairs, make arrangements so when you walk out of here, you got a plan in place. All right, any questions? All right, good luck. Once again, thanks for your service. Simpson.
Good afternoon, Judge John Graziani on behalf of Layman Simpson, who's to my left, the entire stuff, sir.
Legislative unit.
Thank you.
We waive the formal reading, we stand mute.
All right, let's set this up for a pretrial on August 13th. In the meantime, I'm going to put Mr. Simpson on a personal bond. 3 conditions: stay out of trouble, show up for court, and no contact with the alleged complainant, Tevin Cole. That means no contact, no phone calls, no letters, no social media contacts. He finds you and says, hey, we should get together and have coffee. You can't have contact until myself or another judge in this building changes the order. You understand what no contact means?
Yeah.
What time are we going to do that on the 13th?
11:45.
All right, I'm going to put you on a personal bond. First condition, show up. Second condition, stay out of trouble. Third condition, no contact. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw up on bond?
Yeah.
Any questions? Have a seat until we get you notice. How about Robert Newland?
That's it.
Mr. Newland, are you going forward today without an attorney? You met with the prosecutor. It says here you're going to plead guilty to retail fraud. Prosecutors asked me to consider a delayed sentence. Says that as part of the sentencing agreement, you've agreed to restitution of $32.88, correct? Restitution to where? All right. You understand your rights, sir?
Yes, sir.
You understand the possible penalty for today's charge?
Yes, sir.
You understand the options your rights give you?
Yes, sir.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Did you try to take some merchandise from the Walmart on June 19, 2026 without paying for it?
Yes, sir. Next day, we got some, no excuse.
Okay. How do you accidentally try to take something without paying for it?
Start working as the agent thing, and then, as I was working, I just forgot I had it. Cooperate.
Okay, well, there's no such thing as an accidental retail fraud. So I can't accept a guilty plea with those facts. So you lied to me, or you're lying to me now. Because you can't have it both ways. Either you lied to me when you said it was an accident, or you're lying to me now when you say it now. See my conundrum?
I'm sorry.
Do you understand my conundrum?
Yes. I apologize.
That don't help. Have you talked to an attorney on this? Do so, then I'll talk to you again.
Do I start?
Any one of these guys will talk to you. Alyssa Long.
Mr. Graziani, do you have another one?
Plea dismissals. Paperwork. All right, Mr. Graziani, on Wheeler.
Judge and staff, John Graziani, and Green Bay, Brian Wheeler, standing on the left. Please identify yourself, sir.
Thank you. Go ahead, Counsel.
We worked out an agreement, to no ops,
All right, Mr. Wheeler, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? Understand all that good stuff? And do you understand the possible penalty to the added charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle on June 9 in Van Buren Township without the proper endorsements? Satisfied, counsel? So am I. Were you on a motorcycle or what? Moped?
Judge, I just want you to realize that, even though, we were lost in every jurisdiction, he doesn't DoorDash supplement his income, and, in where he lives at, it was necessary, but as he's also, it's necessary.
Okay. Are, other than the DoorDash, you got another job or? Okay. Okay. All right. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right. $200. Can you pay it today or need to work something out? Go downstairs and get that set up.
Judge, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Darwich. Ready for sentencing?
Yeah, we had a chance to speak briefly, I know I'm not on the record, but I think he's prepared to go through this.
Okay. Anything I should consider before I sentence you today? All right, what do you got more of right now, time or money? Everything? Hockey, huh? That's a young kid, right? I'll give you your choice. It's $200 to give me 2 days on the work program. Your choice, I don't care. When? Go downstairs, get a smile out of the cashier. Good luck in school next year. You're welcome so much.
It didn't confuse me that long as I started reading. I've never seen these statutes, started running down the rabbit hole of what.
Oh, the watercraft stuff? It's amazing to me we don't see more of it with the lake right there. You see this person's trying to get a hold of his attorney's trying to get a hold of somebody here?
Then like having bad, now I feel bad. Are you Mr. Simpson? Yes, sir. Ah, I thought that guy was up here about the video. I'm sorry. Thursday, yeah, he worked together. Back, take care.
Nope.
Maybe a no contest? Okay. All right, Mr. Newland, tell me what happened on June 19, 2026 in Walmart.
Sorry, I've been nervous when I came up here, let you know that I intended to take it, I apologize for.
Okay. You working?
But yes,
Where do you work?
houses for a company called LLP.
MLP, where are they out of?
We're in Detroit, most of the time right over by.
Okay.
Detroit, Michigan.
Okay. Keep them pretty busy, I bet. Yeah, good. How long you been with the company?
Well, you have.
Okay. All right. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you?
I know I just apologize for the understanding and.
Okay.
You want to apologize.
All right. All right. So prosecutor's recommending a delayed sentence. I'm going to go along with that for 6 months. That means stay out of trouble, no criminal, new criminal offenses. Do you have any criminal history now? All right. I'm going to assess court costs in the amount of $300 and 3 days on the court work program. The work program runs 7 days a week. You pick which 3 days you want to work. You can schedule those before you leave the building. Can you pay the $300 today?
Not today.
Set something up before you leave the building, so we got a plan in place to get it.
Okay.
32.
Oh, and yeah, thank you. 3288 to Walmart. When are you gonna do that? Give me a deadline.
Do that within a week, next week, that's fine.
Got it? You catch that?
Yeah.
Okay, you're good.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes.
So.
So we're done?
I have no idea.
I don't, maybe one more, but I don't.
Seriously, look at this. Does that look like we did a docket today?
Oh, I know. I'm like, Michelle, we had like this much left. Everybody showed, nobody showed on ours.
Do my double check.
Man, that is a confusing set of statutes.
So I've got two files, 12-2-24 and 11-10-24, both retail frauds out of Van Buren. So let's see what we got.
Down there, name on the record, Judge.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm sorry.
We got it was Benson. It appears that there may have been a plea by mail. Is that correct, Mr.
No, I thought it was you. Myself.
March 12, discovery requested, pretrial April 27. He missed April 27.
There's been a number of issues that I hope you take into consideration. He's taking care of his mother who is in hospice. He's living with her. He's going through a divorce and he's had a big drug problem. He's had a big.
What are you doing about that?
I've been sold for a year in May.
Good.
I do, well, 8 months and 9 months.
Yeah, I just saw a letter you sent us from Oakland.
Kind of, yeah, a little plea by mails in on this case.
Right.
Okay, it's like, I think I could have made a big mess of myself a couple years ago, huge mess. Doing drugs and going through.
What are you doing to maintain your sobriety?
I don't attend meetings anymore. I was doing online meetings, thinking about going back though, because I got a huge amount of stress on me. I'm getting divorced. This morning was supposed to be here at 8 o'clock. My wife was supposed to, even though we're going through divorce,
Yeah.
she's still helping out with my mom. And she didn't show up. No call, no show. I don't know what she did to her. She was
Right.
out all night last night. I don't know. I'm trying to clear all this up. I got one more after this left to Canton. For Big Fork, but I cleared up 3 cases in Brownstown, 1 out of Huron. I'm headstrong.
You're cleaning it up. Yeah.
I'm getting this stuff.
Okay. All right. So we're going to get you a date on these. Hold on. You got a Drovewell license suspended. A Huron Township Drovewell license suspended. As of June 29th, said Joe was $395.
Yeah, but I'm scheduled on a payment plan for that. I was going to actually make a payment on it today when I came here.
Yeah, the problem is if you miss a payment, then we kill the payment plan. Says here that you created it in May, but you didn't make your June 8th payment.
I probably didn't have a meeting until July.
It's no big deal. We'll get you back on a payment plan, but you're better off contacting us if you can't make a payment than missing a payment.
Understood.
All right. So did we get a date on this adjournment?
August 13th?
So these 2 retail frauds are going to come back August 13th at 11:45.
That's it.
No, this is just pretrial.
Judge, was there some other matter? Because Mr. Benson keeps on talking about sentencing and I
I thought I took a plea on this last time I was here. I thought.
Let me look at the other file. I'm just looking at 1 hour away. There was probably a plea discussed. No, on March 22nd, both these files were scheduled for an April 27, on March 22nd, both these files were scheduled for a April 27 pretrial, and you missed that. So we're still at pretrial stage.
Thank you.
And that's going to be August 13th, 11:45. All right. All right, I'm gonna put you on a personal bond. First condition, stay out of trouble. Second condition, show up in court. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 on each of these files if you screw up on bond?
Yes.
Any questions?
No questions.
All right. Keep doing what you're doing.
Judge, he posted the bond.
I posted $2,500 on that. It's one of these cases about a month ago. Maybe.
No, you posted surety bond.
Cash.
You seen anything about a bond? They're not putting anything on paperwork anymore.
He has a $500 bond, both of them, he has $500 bond in both cases, Judge.
I just continue the bonds.
Thank you.
I don't like not having receipts.
You gotta talk to Mariah, they don't, we can pull the files.
I know we're trying to do paperless, but
We're far from paper.
I know.
Hey, Judge, thank you.
We're all set then?
Thank you, Your Honor. I apologize.
No problem.